This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can move columns and rows in Google Sheets. Here I have a small table within a Google Sheet, and let's suppose I want to move the expense category column to the right of this amount column. What you do is you need to click 2 times on the entire column. And notice that when you click that second time, the hand icon, which is your cursor, acts like it's grabbing the column header, and then you want to drag it to your desired location. So if I want it to appear in column C, then I hover my mouse or cursor over column C and then release. When I do that, the columns are now reversed. Notice that if you have any fancy formatting, like different color borders or anything like that, you're going to have to correct that after you move them. You can do that same thing for rows. So I'm going to move this program supplies down. And again, you click on the number of the row 2 times, and then you drag it to your desired location. So if I want it to appear in column 6, that's where it will appear, and then it will shift everything else up. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and reformat your borders or whatever other formatting that you had in the table that changed as a result of you changing the location of a row or a column. So this video shows you how to move rows and columns in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.